So then, we have finally had an announcement from the park of what will be replacing Angry Birds Land in the 2024 season, and wow, I am impressed. So then, first off, I'm sorry that this video is a few days late, which unfortunately this news dropped while I was away, and as soon as I've got back I've recorded it, but as of the time of recording it, it was last week anyway, and I'll obviously have to upload this Sunday, but still, we'll move forward, oh well. So then, this announcement comes off the back of us finding a few weeks ago that Angry Birds Land will be leaving the resort for the 2024 season to make way for, I'm pretty sure they worded it, an exciting new land, which I was excited to see, but was very hesitant to see what we would get, and wow, it looks incredible. So now we obviously know that Angry Birds Land will be replaced with Big Easy Boulevard opening in 2024, which will be themed to a New Orleans town celebrating the 4th of July, which looks awesome, and is something which I think couldn't fit into sort of fitting in between the Amity areas better. They mentioned that it would be a vibrant new land. I was thinking that this area has kind of got a fit in between like Stealth and sort of merge into Amity then back out again. I thought, what would this area be? And a New Orleans town is kind of different enough for it to have a new atmosphere, but similar enough for it to fit perfectly and blend into when you go into Amity to go on Stealth, and obviously when you go back out the area at the other side. So brilliant to see. This area obviously does come with a refurbishment of things in that area, which means that the Dodgems will now no longer have the annoying Angry Birds theme, and will now have an exciting new theme, which looks incredible, as you can see from the concept art if I've put it on screen, which I hopefully have. And Detonator is going to be themed to fireworks, which really does fit it amazingly. It sounds, when you say it, really obscure and it sounds a bit awful, but when you look at the concept art and the execution that they're going to do of this, it looks amazing. Now, I know concept art isn't the real thing, and you can't predict the exact atmosphere of something from concept art, but usually you have concept art and then the real thing is even better, which the concept art for this looks amazing. I've said concept art an awful lot there, sorry, but it looks awesome, and I think this will actually fit Detonator perfectly. I'm so excited to see this refurbishment of this land, because it will really bring in a new lease of life, which this area of the park really needed, really, didn't it? It was one of the most hated areas of the park, I think is the best way to word it, in that the theme didn't really work, and also the vibrant colours that had been put in there were starting to fade, and it was kind of looking a little bit mundane, and it wasn't really exciting anymore, whereas this looks to really bring back the vibrant colours to the resort, and really does seem to work, and will fit into that area of the park perfectly, and it will be very easy, hopefully, this is a prediction, it might be wrong, but it will be very easy for them to then blend it into Amity so that you can transition from this new land to Amity that already exists, and not make it seem so like sort of jump across, because at the minute it is kind of Angry Birds then Amity, and they don't really merge, which this area seems to do perfectly. We've obviously also going to have, now this is the one that I'm most excited for, the Angry Birds 4D cinema, which was a ride which I think I've done twice in the history of going to the park, and both times were not very impressed. We're going to have a brand new, obviously themed to the cinema itself because it's in the new land, and a brand new film being displayed in this cinema, which is such a good opportunity for them to really push for an attraction which works in 4D better. In that we've obviously seen Detonator is going to be themed to fireworks. That in 4D is instantly going to be a hit because it'll work so well, because the dynamic of things coming towards you from the screen works brilliantly with fireworks, so that's something that we can already see working incredibly, and I'm really excited to see what happens with this cinema, because I think this is what's going to sort of bring a new life to that attraction and really bring it back to public limelight and make it an attraction which people want to go on, which will mean that it takes away from the queues of other rides and sort of spreads out the line a bit more, because people are going to want to go on it. And this will be so great to see all happening next year when we also get a new ride and logo. It's just difficult to comprehend what's happening, really, isn't it? But yeah, please do let me know what you think of this new area. Apologies that this video isn't quite as close to the release of the announcement of the new area. In future, I'm going to try from this point forward to the second that an announcement's made, get the video recorded so I can upload it within a few days of the announcement, so it's not announcement, then it fizzles out, and then the video. I'm going to work on that. I'm going to be putting some serious work into this channel over the next year, so please do stick around and see it, because I really am enjoying doing this now, and now that I've passed a year of doing this, I'm getting the hang of things a little bit better. I think it's time to sort of push myself a bit more and really push this channel as far as it can go, because it's great fun to do and I'm loving the interaction I'm getting with people, so stay tuned and see what happens, really. But yeah, thank you for watching. Please do let me know what you think of this new area in the comments, and if you think it's great or whether you think there'll be bits that they still need to work on in this area. I'd love to hear it, because I'm just super excited for this area and can't really wait to see what other people think and see the area next year. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please do like and subscribe. It really makes a world of difference and really does help this channel out. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.